Imagine having a virtual assistant that's always available, helping you write, plan, learn, and get creative. That's what ChatGPT does. Here's how you can use it for everyday tasks with beginner-friendly prompts. Let ChatGPT help you structure your day. Just ask it to build a schedule around work, breaks, and personal time, and it gives you a clean, organized plan. You can give a prompt like create a simple weekday schedule for work, exercise, and relaxation. Next, not sure how to word that email? Just give ChatGPT the situation and it will generate a clear and polite message you can send right away. You can give it a prompt like write a friendly email to reschedule a meeting for next week. Need quick help understanding something? Use prompts like this to get easy to digest explanations without the scientific overload. What's the difference between a virus and bacteria? If you want help with health and lifestyle, ChatGPT can suggest meals, workouts, or wellness tips that fit your routine. You can give it a prompt like plan a week of budget-friendly dinners for 2 people. Suggest a 15-minute stretching routine for beginners. Likewise, if you are feeling creative, use ChatGPT to generate ideas, write stories, or kickstart your next project. Great for writers, YouTubers, and even kids. Give me 5 blog post ideas for a self improvement website. Or write a funny short story about a robot learning to cook. And that's how you can use ChatGPT for daily life, whether it's for planning, learning, or just having fun. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.